What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back again with another banger. Let's go. Today we're going to be showing you how to install stuff on the Shoei X15, baby. Let's go. We got it in matte black. Some things you're gonna need. You're gonna definitely need a media mod. You're gonna definitely need a GoPro. I have a GoPro Hero 9 black. I wouldn't go with anything older than the 9, really. You're also gonna want to get some ND filters. This is pretty much like sunglasses for your camera, if you can see. That's all those are. You can grab a pack of those on Amazon for like 30 bucks. I'll link those down in the description, as well as the media mod. You're definitely going to want to get a chin mount for whatever your helmet is. If they don't make one for your helmet, just message them whatever your helmet is and they'll buy a helmet and actually make a chin mount for it. I don't know if you can see that, but they're 3D printed. They got 3M tape and they come with a little cleaning cloth as well. Coupon code I'll throw down in the description for you all as well for 10% off. Willie Jr. And then we also have a mic right here that is going to be getting installed into this beautiful helmet as well. Let's go on and unbox this helmet. There's the transition visor. So I've already actually unboxed this. I've not set it up or even worn it or rode in it yet. So yeah, this will be the first time actually setting it up. Here's what comes in the box. Comes with a bunch of different little chin curtains and stuff, and I believe this is a nose piece. Different chin curtains, one for a race style, one for a to keep sound out as much as possible. Came with a pin lock as well, which is awesome because my AGV did not when I bought it. I'm actually going to make a separate video on why I'm switching from Shoei to AGV. I believe that's for my transition visor. And we got a couple thick boy books down here. God dang. Look at that. Yeah, so this helmet is super customizable as far as fitment goes. Get her open here. Oh. 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 Hold up, we're getting. Oh, this is so hard to do with one hand. Y'all don't even understand. Oh, we're gonna roll it all the way across the bed, I guess. Are you ready? Oh man, and there is the beautiful new X15. Got two different little chin guard things down here. Got a locking system right here, another locking system for your visor right here, keep it from opening, popping open or anything like that. Got a couple vents up here. I do love that. I believe I'll actually be able to ride around with my visor open with this one too, so that's awesome. My AGV I couldn't. I could get up to about 20 miles an hour and then it would actually shut on me. We're gonna go on and yank out the cheek padding. Pretty much, you're just gonna go in here and just pop, pop. I've never taken out this cheek padding, so we're gonna figure it out. Oh, there was another one. I know Shoei's, every helmet's a little different. You kind of have to just take it apart and play with it. But those just pop right out too. Bingo, there we are. Going and take out the second one because I'm not sure which side I'm actually going to run the mic on just yet. So if you don't know about the adjustability of this helmet, I'm not going to break it completely down. You should definitely check out a video and go and get it professionally fit. That's what I'm going to be doing hopefully next weekend. But look at the thickness in this, man. That's without the pad. And that looks like it's going to be quieter. I think it'll do what I'm wanting it to do, which is help my audio for you all. We're going to install the chin mount neck. First things first is I'm going to wipe this off. And then I actually have a hair dryer right here. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. I wouldn't get it too crazy hot, but I'm definitely gonna get this nice and clean and then warm it up as well as warm up the 3M tape on here. First, I'm gonna make sure that I got it going the right way on here, you know, whichever way it goes, whether it be that way or that way. What I'm gonna do after that is heat it up after cleaning it and everything, stick it on, push against it for about 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 5, something like that, and just pushing up against it. That's pretty much just gonna keep that 3M tape, the double-sided 3M tape. It's gonna make it set, and where you warmed it up, it's gonna make that glue that much more, you know, just tacky and get a good bond. Remove your visor. All right, now that we got the visor out of the way and to the side, we're actually gonna be ditching that one. We're gonna grab this transition one Here in a little bit, we're actually gonna throw the pin lock on it, but we're not there yet. Now we are to the mic. Go on and throw this mic on. I'll link this down in the description as well. This is a lot of cable, okay? You're not gonna want all that like that in your helmet. But I'm gonna go on and throw this on here. A little wind sock. Gonna grab some black tape or some kind of tape or adhesive to get it to stick up, the wiring and everything to stick up in your helmet. I'm gonna go on and start installing it. I'll be right back. Now I want you to take your mic, go on and plug it in. Well, you'll see how much slack you need. Around about right there. I can start to tape this all down together. This is the best I could find. Medical tape, but it'll work. Really just any kind of tape, and then I want you to tape the excess wire to the inside of the helmet somewhere. Tuck your mic in, right in here, up in here, in the back behind your ear somewhere, or in the cheek pad somewhere. You would think you would want it up here. You actually do not want it up here where a lot of the wind noise is gonna be hit. So you're gonna want it back here. Put your mic back up in here somewhere. And we're getting ready to do that now. Make sure your strap is out here. Don't run it on the lower side of your strap down there. Run it on the inside. All right, you guys, we got the extra cord wrapped up in here. And then we have the mic sitting in this area. So that way there's no pressure point on my head. While the cheek pads are still out, I highly suggest going on and putting it on your head. That way you'll be able to feel, if you can feel the mic in the helmet pushing on your head anywhere. That's the last thing you want, I can promise you, is a pressure point. It's gonna definitely give you a headache. Before you go through the trouble of putting your cheek pads and everything back in, try it on, make sure that there's no pressure points or nothing too major anyway. There's probably gonna be a little pressure point because you're adding stuff into your helmet. And if it fits properly, you're probably gonna feel that. I stuffed it up in here. You might be able to see it. I don't know. And I have the mic actually pointed towards the front of the helmet and up. Go on and throw my cheek pads back in real quick, and I'll get back to you all here in just a minute. All right, we just got the cheek pads back in. It didn't take very long. You literally slide it in the back right here, push it down along the edge, click that little lock in. There's a little lock back here too that you'll start from. Go along the edge, lock it up here, then come inside, snap, snap, snap. Good to go. Flip it to the other side, do that side, same exact thing on this side. Make sure that your chin straps are actually ran through. After that, what I'm gonna do next, getting my pin lock out, we're gonna open it and we're gonna put it on the transition visor. All right, you guys, we got the pin lock on there. It snaps in right here and right here. It just kind of folds across. You just kind of got to bend it a little more and then kind of tuck it in a little bit. We also ordered these right here. Had to wait on them to come in. It's a little extension mount. That way whenever I'm full tuck, you know, your helmet's gonna be like this. You want the camera to be pointing straight, which it's pointing up whenever it's sitting straight, but you're not sitting straight on the bike. So that's what this is. It's to get the camera angle right. It's a little, about a 1-inch extension. That was all I needed to get my camera angle right. If you want to see and hear what this setup right here, the new Shoei X15 sounds like, make sure to subscribe, baby. Yes, sir. You got to subscribe if you want to hear what this thing's going to sound like. Because it's not going to be in this video, but it's going to be in the next video. I don't know what all this jazz is. That's nasty. We're going to have to clean that off. If you like, comment, let me know what you all think. I'll let you know what it sounds like in the next video. Let's go!